Welcome to Venu Maths Academy. In this video series, discuss about 2D coordinate system, IIT JEE Mains part, question models level 1 pattern type. Area of the triangle and collinear points, the model of questions. Here the question number 15. If 1 comma A 3 comma 9a 4 comma b, this is b, 4 comma b 6 comma 18 are collinear, then a comma b by a. Here the four options are given. Collinear means all points lying on the same line. Here 4 points, first one a, second one b, third one C, and fourth one D. These are the points lying on the same line. Let A equal to 1 comma A, B equal to 3 comma 9A, C equal to 4 comma B, and D equal to 6 comma 18. Here, given that given points are collinear, given points are collinear, then their slopes are equal. Here to take slope of AB equal to slope of BC, one condition, slope of AB equal to slope of BC. Slope of AB equal to slope of BC. Slope of BC. Here slope of AB, this is x1 y1, this is x2 y2, formula y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1, directly apply 9a minus 8, 9a minus a, 8a, 9a minus a, 8a by 3 minus 1, 2 equal to slope of BC, b minus 9a, b minus 9a, b minus 9a by 4 minus 3, 1. Here 2 ones to 2 fours get cancelled. 4a equal to b minus 9a. Minus 9a will get plus 9a. Minus 9a will get plus 9a. 9a plus 4a equal to b. 9a plus 4a, 13a. 13a equal to b. Here to find b by a, 13 into a, then b by a equal to 13. Here multiplication, this will go to right side, it division, then b by a equal to 13. b by a equal to 13. Here b by a equal to 13 in second option. First option also 13. Fourth option also 13. Next to find small a value. Small a value. Here next to apply the condition, slope of AB equal to slope of BD. Slope of AB, here only to find a value, slope of AB equal to slope of BD. Here in this case all the slopes are equal. If collinear points are given, all the slopes are equal. Next take one condition, slope of AB, slope of AB equal to find slope of BD or slope of AD. Anyone you take. So, slope of BD. Slope of BD. Here to apply. Slope of AB, 9a minus a, 8a by 3 minus 1, 2 equal to slope of BD, 18 minus 9a, 18 minus 9a by 18 minus 9a by 6 minus 3, 3. Here 2 ones to 2 fours get cancelled. Cross multiply with 3, 3 fours, 12a. 12a is equal to 18 minus 9a. Here minus 9a will become plus 9a. 12a plus 9a equal to 18. Here 12a plus 9a, 21a. 21a equal to 18. A equal to 18 by 21. Here 3 6, 3 7s. A equal to 6 by 7. A equal to 6 by 7. B by A equal to 13. Here to find A comma B by A. A equal to 6 by 7. B by A equal to 13. Here the right answer is second option, 6 by 7 comma 13. Question number 16. The maximum area of the triangle found by the points 0 comma 0, a cos theta comma b sin theta and a cos theta comma minus b sin theta in square units. Here the four options are given. Here in the question, maximum area of the triangle. Here cos theta and sin theta are the trigonometric ratios. To observe that the maximum value of sin theta and cos theta is 1. Sin theta cos theta values lies in between -1 and +1. Sin 90 degrees is equal to 1. Cos 0, 1. Sin theta cos theta values lies in between -1 and +1. Suppose sin n theta and cos n theta. The maximum value of sin n theta and cos n theta. Here n is the positive integer. Sin 2 theta cos 2 theta. The maximum value is 1. The maximum value of sin n theta cos n theta is also 1. Sin n theta cos n theta values lies in between -1 and +1. -1 and +1. The maximum value of sin n theta and cos n theta is also 1. This is the important concept. The maximum value of sin theta and cos theta 1. The maximum value of sin n theta and cos n theta, where n is positive integer, this value is also 1. Here let A equal to 0 comma 0. These are the vertices of triangle. B is equal to A cos theta comma B sin theta and C is equal to A cos theta comma minus B sin theta. Here one vertex is 0 0. The B coordinates x1 y1, the C coordinates x2 y2. If the triangle area 0 comma 0, one vertex is x1 comma y1 and next vertex is x2 comma y2. Area of triangle here ABC, area of triangle ABC is equal to half mod x1 y2 minus x2 y1. This formula is used if the one vertex is 0. In a triangle, if the one vertex is origin 0 comma 0, in one vertex is origin 0 comma 0, here the coordinates x1 comma y1 and x2 y2 is given, then area of triangle of mod x1 y2 minus x2 y1. Of mod, here x1 is equal to a cos theta, x2 is x1 a cos theta, y2 b sin theta, multiply with x1 y2, plus into minus minus, a into b, ab cos theta sin theta, minus ab cos theta sin theta. Next x2 y1, here x2 is equal to a cos theta, y1 is equal to b sin theta, multiply with x2 y1, a into b, ab cos theta sin theta, minus 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 2ab cos theta sin theta. Here in a mod, minus is positive. In a mod, minus is positive of AB. Here one formula is there. 2 sin theta cos theta in multiple angles. One formula is there. 2 sin A cos A equal to sin 2A. This is the formula. 2 sin theta cos theta sin 2 theta of mod AB sin 2 theta. The maximum value of sin n theta and cos n theta is 1. The maximum value of sin 2 theta is 1. The maximum value of sin 2 theta is equal to 1. In sin 2 theta, apply 1. Of into modulus of AB into 1. Then this result is AB by 2. This is the answer. AB by 2. The third option is correct. Question number 17. An equilateral triangle as each side equal to A, small letter A, if x1 comma y1, x2 comma y2 and x3 comma y3 are the vertices of the triangle, then determinant of x1, x2, x3, y1, y2, y3, 1, 1, 1 value. Here the four options are given. In this question, the triangle ABC, this is triangle ABC is a equilateral triangle. Triangle ABC is an equilateral triangle. Here side, in equilateral triangle, 3 sides are equal. Here side of triangle is given small a and vertices also given. If side of triangle is small a, then area of triangle, this area of equilateral triangle, if side is equal to small a, then formula is root 3 by 4 side square. Here side is a square. This is the formula. Here the vertices are given. Capital A, let first vertex A equal to x1 comma y1, B is equal to x2 comma y2 and C equal to x3 comma y3. If the vertices are given, then the area of triangle is if the vertices are given, of determinant of x1, x2, x3, y1, y2, y3, 1, 1, 1. This formula is also used for area of triangle. Here these two values are equal. 1 by 2, 1 by 2, determinant of x1, x2, x3, y1, y2, y3, 1, 1, 1 equal to root 3 by 4 a square. Here 2 ones, 2 get cancelled. Determinant of x1, x2, x3, y1, y2, y3, 1, 1, 1 equal to root 3 by 2 a square. Here in the question, to find determinant of x1, x2, x3, y1, y2, y3, 1, 1, 1 square, to find square. The squaring on both sides. Squaring on both sides. Squaring on both sides. Then determinant of x1, x2, x3, y1, y2, y3, 1, 1, 1 square. In square, root 3 whole square is 3. 2 square is 4. A square whole square, a power 4. Determinant of x1, x2, x3, y1, y2, y3, 1, 1, 1 square equal to 3 by 4 a power 4. 3 a power 4. This is the second option is the correct. Question number 18. The sides of a triangle are y by z plus z by x, comma, z by x plus x by y, comma, x by y plus y by z. Then its area in square units. Here 4 option is given. Here to observe the sides A, B, C. First one let A be. Let A be. First one let A be. The side is given y by z plus z by x in the variable form is given. Next BC, let it be BC. This is AB, this is BC. Z by x plus x by y is given. And last one AC. This is the side AC. X by y plus y by z is given. To observe that these sides y by z plus z by x, cyclic form, x, y, z, next y, z, here denominator z, next x, here also z, next term x after y, next third side, z after x after y, plus here x, next y term, here y, next z term. These are the sides in the form of cyclic. Here the given in the cyclic form, then the triangle ABC is a equilateral triangle. Triangle ABC is a equilateral triangle. Here to take equilateral triangle, x is equal to y equal to z equal to 1 or any number, x equal to y equal to z equal to 2, any one you take. Here let x equal to y is equal to z equal to 1. Here y1, z1, 1 by 1, 1, z also 1, x also 1, 1 by 1, 1, 1 plus 1, 2. This is also equal to 2. This is also equal to 2. Here the side of the triangle, here the cyclic, what is this? Cyclic form is there. Then the triangle ABC is a equilateral triangle. Let x equal to y equal to z equal to 1 if the side is 2. Then area of equilateral triangle, equal to root 3 by 4 into side square. Here side is equal to side A is equal to 2. Root 3 by 4 is into A square. A equal to 2. Root 3 by 4. A equal to 2. 2 square 4. The value is root 3. In option verification, to apply first option, x1, y1, z1. 1 into 1, 1. First option 1. But root 3 is the right answer. In second option, x by 1, 1 by 1, 1, plus y also 1, z also 1, 1 by 1, 1, plus z also 1, z equal to 1, x equal to 1, 1 by 1, 1, 1 plus 1 plus 1, root 3. Here the area of triangle is equilateral, the answer is root 3. The satisfied option is 2. Then the area is root of x by y plus y by z plus z by x. This is the problem by applying option verification method.